D5600, my life. First time seeing this Nikon school. It's a free voucher, I think. Yeah, there is nothing inside. Okay. So this is the warranty, service warranty, international warranty. Actually, I have purchased. This is for 2 years I have purchased. So I have to fill this form and update in the site. That's what the supplier told me. So okay, we will go to the next item. What is this? Actually, I don't know. This one will be the rechargeable battery pack. Oh, so additional battery pack is there? Okay, fine. So we'll go to the next one. Will be the catalogs, user manuals. Okay, it's in English. Okay, and some other languages as well. Okay, fine. We'll go to the next stage. This is the okay. We'll go to the accessory first. This is the, as you know, this is the charger adapter, I think. Okay, this out. Okay, fine. Different type. Okay, this is that normal square pin we will find in the GCC, not in our nation. Okay, this one is the square pin. Okay, fine. So the next one, what is this? I think this is the battery charger, in which the battery will be placed like this, and yeah, I think so. By removing this, the battery should be placed like this, I hope so. Yeah, fine. Then we will connect the, yes, see, single charging method, direct to the charger. No, yeah, this one. Okay. So pin actually. Anyway, let it be there. Now we'll go to the next section. The accessory. What is the next item we are seeing? It's, oh yeah, the 18 to 55 mm lens. The main prime part of the camera comes here. Yeah, you can see this is the 18 to 55. 18 here, and you can see the 55 here. We have to press like this and turn. This is the procedure actually. This is a lens cover. You can remove this. So this is finally the lens that's going to attach with the DSLR. We'll see some other parts also. Yeah, it's the back side. Okay, fine. Let it be here. Then we will unbox. And the next item we are seeing, yeah, this one, as you know, this is a hand carry strap that we will put in the shoulder strap, something like that, by Nikon. Yes, good strap. It's like a leather strap. Yeah, fine. So now to the final stage. This one, my beloved Nikon D5600 comes out. Yes, how tiny it is. The great little superhero of my life. So this will be the front portion of the SLR. You can see the sensor inside. Yeah. So these are the features of this SLR. As you know, this one we can just open this. It's the display, and this display is flipped 360 degree, or yeah, it's good. It's a good one. Anyway, fine. So let's connect the lens. How this one is connected, actually I don't know, but let me check. So yeah, this one is connected. I think I have to go through the manuals a little bit to see how it is connected. So happy to introduce this little tiny thing. This is my life. Thank you for watching my DSLR unboxing video. Thank you all. Thank you.